unang dumating ang mga ICC investigators sa Pilipinas, December of 2023. Inutusan sila na magpapalit ng peso to dollars. Dalawang maleta na ang bawat maleta ay may nilalaman na 56 million pesos. Kaya nakapagpalit sila ng equivalent to $2 million.
Okay lang kumuha? Hindi kayo pinagbawalan na kumuha?
Kailangan po ng proof, ma'am. Minsan isi-send po kay boss.
Tinanong ko si Waupan kung paano nila nasiguro na ang kanilang mga ineskortan na foreigners dito sa Pilipinas, mga tiga-ICC. Paano nyo nalaman na sila pala yun?
Lately na lang din, ma'am, nakita natin sa TV na sila pala yung investigator doon, ma'am.
Na isa sa mga ineskortan nyo.
Yes, ma'am.
Nagpunta rito.
Yes, ma'am.
Ano ba yung mga ginawa nila rito?
December 2023,
Survey.
ocular muna sila, ma'am, eh. Inikot muna nila yung buong Manila, eh. Then nakipag-meeting sila at kay ST po. Code name po yan ni Sunny Trillanes. Then
Is it correct that if this was in fact a work in progress, as stated by Secretary Remulla, as of 15 December 2023, all the secretaries and undersecretaries already holding such positions at that time also viewed the ICC as having no jurisdiction over the country, as stated by the President himself in the letter?
We did not assist the ICC, ma'am. We continued with the very tenor of the letter, that we did not assist the ICC. We never had contact with them.
We'll go
The
there.
investigation that they conducted was through their own methods, and we did not in any way assist them. As said in your letter, we cannot.
It's
we
not
did
my
not.
letter, sir, it's the President's.
It's a president's letter.
How about attending yung meetings daw na nandun si Zaldico, si Speaker Romualdez?
Wala pong mga ganyang mga
Remulla.
meetings. Wala pong mga ganyang mga meetings. Ang
Nick Torre para daw po with the ICC investigators. Totoo po ba yun? Sa bahay niya raw po sa Bel Air, Makati.
Totoo yun. May pag-usap ako sa Trillanes, pinakilala niya sa akin yung ICC, yung ibang dalawang personal na ICC. Kasi nga, meron kami usapan na ang testigo dapat protektahan. Yung testigo na ICC. Since we're in the DOJ, kinakailangan gawin namin yun. Pilipino kasi mga testigong to.
Ito po ay para suportahan ang kanilang aligasyon na binabayaran daw yung mga ICC investigators. At your name was mentioned as present dun po sa isang meeting sa isang bahay sa Bel Air. What do you have to say to this, General?
Alam mo, nakita ko rin yung affidavit na napakarami ng pangalan na involved, no? Allow me please to reserve my comments regarding that matter kasi hindi nga natin alam kung yan ay kaya nilang isubstantiate at tataasan nila ng kamay para sila ay mag-subscribe dyan. Baka mamaya at the end of the day sasabihin joke only yan, eh. Diba? So it's really non-issue right now for me because hindi naman akong bida dyan. Napakarami ng pangalan dyan.
You don't know where this is coming from?
Most probably alam ni Attorney Baligo dyan kung saan ang gagaling yan pero nasa sa kanya ngayon yan kung ano ang kanyang purpose regarding that matter.
Salamat po. Thank you, Secretary.